It looks pretty easy, so hopefully it goes smooth. 3 hours later. That's not good. What is going on, everybody? Happy New Year. Merry Christmas. Or change the order, but you know what I mean. Today, we're gonna be taking out the clutch delay valve. I'm driving the car, and before I forget later how it actually feels, the clutch, like you kind of lose the engagement point. Like you can't really tell. Like there's a point where you could feel it like kind of grab, and then you kind of don't know when to let go. I don't know. I don't really know how to explain it that well, but there is a period between where you kind of just lose the feeling of it. So hopefully this does help that too. So we just got back home. You got the little brake bleeder kit, which you can also use on the clutch. I was trying to just get one, but they didn't have fucking one bite, so it looks pretty easy. So hopefully it goes smooth. Fucking 3 hours later. All right, so this is what we're looking at right here. Pop up those two little metal clips, and that's our Diesel Geek short shifter kit that we will also be realigning. See that yellow little piece in there? Yup. That's what you want out of your shit. Pop this pin out, pop this out, and then dump that little thing out from there. See this is your delay valve. That is the whole difference right there compared to this thing. All right, so we got her popped back in. Need either 9 or 10 mil to unthread, or not unthread, but to loosen this part. This is 3/8 if you don't have metric, basically. I'm gonna pump the clutch. Size saw for 6 times, so I'm gonna do it 6 times, and then on 6th time, hold it down. Oh, no mames. And then on 6th time, hold it down. Oh, that's not good. My clutch just got stuck. All right, so be precautious and check your fucking fluid level, because my dumbass was gonna get new fluid, but I was like, I'll be all right. I took out the delay valve, put it back together, went to go pump my clutch, and my clutch got stuck, as you guys saw. So don't be like me and get fluid. Also, this fluid doesn't look good at all. It's like sludge in the bottom. I don't know if you could tell. Nah, you can't tell on GoPro, but you can tell there's like 2 layers of liquids. So get new fluid if you do this job. All right, so take 2, we got the clutch fluid. So this wasn't the exact one I found when I looked up my car's like OEM specs, but it has the same exact part number. So it should be cool. And if it's not, we gonna find out. How professional am I right now? Damn, brother. Shit. Bro, my tripod just completely folded. This shit just disassembled. Anyways, so we got some new fluid in. We pumped the clutch, make sure there's no air bubbles left. Close that back up. I can actually put this rubber piece back on. So now we should have a solid, oh shit. When I tell you that clunkiness, that like crunchy feel of the clutch that I was talking about before, it's fucking gone. It's completely gone. Clutch definitely feels smoother. So now when you feel the engagement point, the car just rolls away. It doesn't stutter like how it used to. So that is a difference that I could feel off the back. But we're gonna get into some real driving and see if it's all good to go and if we have all 6 gears, and I'll let you know. Oh, we have all 6 gears. Let's go. Alignment was done good. Clutch feels good. Usually the 1 to 2. Oh wait, holy shit. Wait, downshifting so much faster. Oh, this is nice. Definitely recommend this. Off the bat, I've only driven maybe 100 feet, but you can definitely tell the difference. It's not like anything crazy, but your 1 to 2s, for those who have GTIs, which I'm pretty sure everyone right here, I'm pretty sure everyone watching this has a GTI, you know the 1-2 shifts are super laggy. Like there's such a big delay from 1 to 2. This makes it a lot quicker. I'm not saying it's like instant, but let me tell you, like it's pretty damn improved. Considering mine before was starting to feel like shit, it wasn't making it really that fun to drive because it felt so nasty. But after doing all this and bleeding out the line, putting new fluid in it, and realigning the, I'm pretty sure it's realigning the transmission, but if I'm wrong, guys can correct me, but realigning the shifter, whatever it's called, it feels good. I can enjoy driving this again, because it was getting a little bit of a challenge or a chore to get into it. Oh shit. Definitely smoother. Leaving in first gear is definitely smoother because you don't get that like grinding feeling when you're getting into the clutch engagement point. Like I said before, it's super smooth. So we're gonna get into a little bit of spirited driving right here in Mexico. Let's get a little second gear pull. I kind of want to do a little launch, but I don't know why I'm nervous now. Alright man, so hopefully this video helped you in any kind of way. The job is really not that hard. You just gotta make sure you have fluid. Damn, it's a Supra! Fuck! Hope you guys enjoyed the video. Sorry if it's a short one, but I'm gonna see y'all next time, and I appreciate y'all for watching. If you made it to the end of the video. Love you guys. Peace! There's a cop right there. Did your parents ever tell you if you have this light on while you're driving, it's illegal? Because I got told that.